If PayPal isn't letting you transfer money to your bank or card, there are several common reasons behind it, and all of them have simple fixes. So try and check your PayPal account status. So for that, you go to Settings, and then Account, and then you go to Account right here, and make sure that your phone number and email are all verified. Also try opening your wallet and check if your bank or card shows as active. So you should have your card in here. If it's missing, something might be wrong with it and you might want to re-add it again. If something says needs attention, just remove it and link it again. Then, if PayPal thinks something is unusual, they put a temporary limitation. You go to Resolution Center and see if PayPal is asking for ID, address, or proof of funds. So maybe if you have the notifications in here that you need to confirm some kind of documents, just go to them or to your inbox, depending on where they are, and do whatever PayPal is asking you to. If you cannot transfer, make sure to check pending funds, on hold payments, you check funds and payments under review. Tap your PayPal balance and check the status. So right over here in your balance. If it's pending, you must wait for the hold to clear. Also, you can try sending the money to a different bank or your debit card. Some banks reject PayPal transfers for security reasons. If it works with another card, the issue is with your bank. Also, PayPal has daily and monthly transfer limits. You go to your settings, money, banks, and cards, and transfer limits. If you hit the limit, you'll need to wait until the next reset period. And that's how you fix PayPal not letting you transfer money. If you need help with any other things in regards to PayPal, let us know. Otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.